Hindi na ako makaan dito. Wait lang. Hi, Jose Marichan, baliw. Hi, ano yan? Imol mo na bang sip? Nino. BJ, hello. Jose Marichan, dito na si Jose Marichan. Dumaan si Jose Marichan. Robert, medyo na ano ako na, slow ako ah. Nag-iikot na si Jose Marichan. Whenever I see girls and boys selling nakasili. Gagi, nag-iigat. Do you know who is Jose Marichan? Anurag. He is the songwriter and singer of the Christmas songs here in the Philippines. So, every September 1, he is there because Burman. It's Burman already. And the Christmas countdown starts na. I only remember 2 songs of Christmas. What song is it? Last Christmas. Hi, Jen. I gave you my heart. Ganun ba? Wala. 1 a.m. ka na naman magla-live, Jen. Last Christmas, I gave you my heart. And the very next day, oh, I gave it away. Naantok na ako. This year to save me from tears. And Toller. Hello, and Toller. Right, and then what's the other song? All I want for Christmas is you. Small things, Anurag. It's just me, okay? So don't be flattered with my voice because this is so golden. Very, very golden. So that's why my voice should be hi dongs, should be kept. Emojin, hi Emojin. Let's rise sun.